Hello bright minds, welcome back to the channel with another beautiful Olympiad math problem. So it is given that x to the power of 2 plus 3 times x equal to this specific number. I wouldn't try to read this number. Please make a comment and let me know if you figure out how to read this number. So this is a quadratic equation. So I'm not going to solve this quadratic equation in any of traditional method. Instead of using traditional methods, I'm going to use a different method. First of all, I am going to do some work on this number. So this number can be written as 1 10 zeros plus 99,998. If we add those two numbers, we will get the same number. Therefore, this number we have 150,99,998 is equivalent to 1 10 zeros plus 99,998. Now this number 1 and 10 zeros can be written as 100,000 times 100,000 plus 99,998. Then 100,000 can be written as 99,999 plus 1. Again 99,999 plus 1. This 99,998 can be written as 99,999 minus 1. So then it can be written as 99,999 plus 1 whole to the power square plus 99,999 minus 1. So our specific number can be written as in this way. So our number is 150,99,998 is equivalent to 99,999 plus 1 whole to the power square plus 99,999 minus 1. So our original equation is x to the power of 2 plus 3 times x is equivalent to 150,99,998. Now I can rearrange the equation. X to the power 2 plus 3 times x is equivalent to, for this number I can substitute 99,999 plus 1 whole to the power square plus 99,999 minus 1. Now I am going to take y is equal to 99,999. Then our equation will become x square plus 3 times x is equal to y plus 1 square plus y minus 1. I am going to expand the y plus 1 whole to the power square as follow. Then x square plus 3 times x is equal to, this one can be written as y square 2 times y plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Then plus 1 and minus 1 can be cancelled. Then right hand side we have y square plus 3 times y. Left hand side we have x square plus 3 times x. Now I am going to take all the variables to left hand side. Then we have x to the power of 2 plus 3 times x minus y to the power of 2 minus 3 times y equal to 0. Now we have x square minus y square plus 3 times x minus 3 times y equal to 0. Now I can factorize the equation left hand side. X square minus y square can be written as x minus y times x plus y. Here 3 is the common factor. Then inside the parentheses we have x minus y equal to 0. Now x minus y is the common factor for whole expression. I'm going to take it out from the parentheses. Then inside the parentheses we have x plus y plus 3, which is equal to 0. Now two products are equal to 0. Then we can have either x minus y equal to 0 or x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Then here we have x equal to y. Then x equal to y is our initial substitution, which is 99,999. This is one of our answer. So there is another answer comes from this equation, which is x equal minus y minus 3. Then x is equal to 99,999, which is our initial submission for y minus 3. So x is equal to minus 1. If we take out from the parentheses, inside parentheses we have 99,999 plus 3. So then x is equal to our final answer 9 plus 3 is 12. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. Then 1. So we have our final answer minus 100,002.